Hey, this is Alex from Trinsoft. One of Business Central's biggest strengths is something that most companies completely overlook: the fact that it's built inside the Microsoft ecosystem. We just published a new blog breaking down why that matters so much. When your ERP is natively connected to the entire Microsoft stack, your data doesn't live in silos. Your team can collaborate around live data inside Teams, analyze real-time dashboards inside Power BI, automate workflows triggered by transactions with Power Automate, and manage customer communication inside Outlook, all without rekeying information or jumping between systems. It's not just about convenience. It's fewer manual processes, better visibility, stronger security, and a much more connected operation. We also explain why having the right Microsoft partner matters, because the real value comes from tailoring Business Central to fit your exact processes and making integrations work strategically for your organization. You can read the full post now at trinsoft.com. For more news, tips, and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our monthly newsletter, Business Central Navigator. If you're interested in learning more about Business Central, or how we can customize it for your exact business processes, send us a message and we'll show you what's possible. Until then, take care.